2 days left to the yes to go.
2 days left. Some that people, why is it that more people do it? You know, flush.
Don't understand. This is the Marabuka.
Yeah, but first time my body. You are going to like it's no open flush. Okay, he
Hey God. Hey God. Hey God. Oh, the man, go that. Okay, Shadrogan, go that to which kind of talk that one?
Mana imagine as nke amago ga wo bro na I dey talk.
I don't understand some be my.
Anytime we say you go that toilet, you know they flush.
Anytime.
Yes.
Which
Na
one
me also na me dey always flush.
No, I don't understand. Now small pikin wa be. Which one be anytime? Now you dey talk to Mercedes, I mean you dey talk to.
I dey talk to you. Funny enough, you go toilet, you go still get mind cover am. Maybe say on eshi.
Nǹkan marry like.
Dey smell now. See I carry pikin man go change the diaper today. You go toilet, you go flush.
Now for you, toilet where I flush. That is there I go toilet, I no flush. So okay, now I no wash my nash.
Oga come go see am na.
Okay, you want to say I no wash my nash.
You know say this is not the first time and this is not the second time. You are always doing this.
Unless say if water no dey inside toilet, I no go.
Which one be say unless say water no dey? If water no inside the bucket, why I no dey tell water dey keep for bucket for there?
Hey, this guy, I don't understand. Girls dey marry mechanic car. Say I know they flush toilet. Like say I dey do am always. Unless say water no dey inside toilet, I fit no flush am. But if water dey, I go flush am now.
No need for too much talk. Some of me come go see.
I don't understand. See wetin dey press the dish. As water dey inside, you flush am now. Why you come dey tell me?
As water dey inside, now I flush am. But you know this is not the first time. Neither is it the second time. Nor the third time when I complain about this.
Madam, I don't understand. I tell you say the DSTV remain 2 days to expire. Now you can't carry shit come. Which kind talk with that one? I beg go stop that nonsense. So which kind you dey talk to me reason? If you see say I no flush toilet, you flush am now. Na bad thing. Look what I'm